Experiencing issues with your Tesla Model 3's reverse lights? We'll cover common problems and solutions. First, check if the lights are simply not illuminating or flickering. These issues can stem from a few causes: faulty LED bulbs, wiring harness problems, software glitches, or sensor malfunctions. Let's get started. Many reverse light failures are due to software glitches. Tesla often addresses these with over-the-air OTA updates. Ensure your Model 3 has the latest firmware, versions 2024.45 or later. These updates recalibrate the body control module, BCM, and improve sensor integration, fixing erroneous gear detection and low-voltage problems. To check for updates, go to Software in your Tesla's settings. If a software update doesn't resolve the issue, inspect the wiring harness for corrosion, especially if you live in a humid climate. Disconnect the battery before inspecting any electrical components. The reverse lights use high-intensity white LEDs. While LEDs are durable, heat or voltage spikes can cause them to fail. Look for any visible damage to the wiring or the LED bulbs themselves. Use a multimeter to check the continuity in the wiring harness. Faulty sensors can prevent the reverse lights from activating. These include the reverse gear sensor that detects when the vehicle is in reverse gear, or the backup camera sensor that helps confirm the vehicle's position. To diagnose these problems, start by using the Tesla app on your phone. The app can connect to your vehicle's systems and display error codes or diagnostic information. A professional scan tool like the V309 can read codes from the vehicle's computer systems. Connect it to the OBD2 port under the dashboard to access diagnostic trouble codes. The Body Control Module, or BCM, manages many vehicle functions, including the reverse lights. Error code U0140 specifically means there's a communication problem within the vehicle's network. If the diagnostic check reveals sensor-related codes or BCM faults, it's best to consult a Tesla service center. They have the specialized tools and expertise to properly diagnose and repair these complex electronic systems. For hardware issues like corroded wiring connectors, a DIY fix might be possible. Start by ensuring safety and disconnecting the battery before beginning any work. Next, access the taillight assembly. This typically involves opening the trunk and carefully removing the taillight housing. Once accessed, inspect for corroded connectors. Carefully disconnect any damaged wiring connectors from the harness. To prevent future corrosion, apply dielectric grease to the connectors before reassembling. This creates a barrier against moisture. A popular YouTube video by Tesla Tech Tips demonstrates this process on a 2020 Model 3, showing the exact steps for safe replacement. Always remember to reconnect the battery after completing the repair and test the reverse lights to ensure they function properly. The reverse lights in the Tesla Model 3 operate on a 12-volt direct current power supply from the vehicle's battery system. This power is modulated by the Body Control Module, or BCM, which acts as the central controller for vehicle electrical systems. The BCM uses pulse width modulation, or PWM, to precisely control the brightness of the LED reverse lights. For safety, always disconnect the vehicle's battery before working on electrical components to prevent electrical shorts. Built-in safety protocols ensure the reverse lights only activate when the vehicle is in reverse gear, preventing accidental illumination. Real-world examples demonstrate how Tesla Model 3 reverse light issues are often resolved through software solutions. In a 2024 Tesla Motors Club thread, a Model 3 owner experienced reverse light failure after a software update. A diagnostic check revealed a body control module glitch. Tesla resolved it remotely via over-the-air update, saving the owner $200 to $300 in shop fees. Tesla's internal audit of 10,000 Model 3 repairs found that 65% of reverse light complaints were software-related. However, a 2023 NHTSA report highlighted a collision partially attributed to non-working reverse lights on a Model 3, emphasizing the importance of functional safety systems. Preventative maintenance is key to avoiding Tesla Model 3 reverse light issues. Start by keeping your vehicle's software updated. Tesla regularly releases over-the-air updates that address software glitches in the body control module and sensor integration. These updates, like versions 2024.45 and 2025.12, can prevent reverse light failures by recalibrating systems and improving diagnostics. Regularly inspect the wiring harness for early signs of corrosion. In humid climates, moisture can cause wiring faults, so check connectors for dirt or corrosion. Use dielectric grease during any maintenance to prevent recurrence. This can catch issues before they lead to reverse light failures. Looking ahead, future trends include AI-driven diagnostics that will predict failures before they happen. Tesla is moving toward predictive maintenance, where the vehicle alerts you to potential issues with reverse lights. Additionally, advancements like hybrid LED laser lights will enhance visibility and safety. Expect zero-maintenance systems with improved cybersecurity to protect against hacks. In summary, stay informed through Tesla's app and owner forums. Always prioritize safety by ensuring your reverse lights function properly, as they are crucial for alerting others when backing up.